You look so blonde. You look so blonde. Oh,
Look how much blonder you look than me. I had this feeling of like, oh my gosh, I look like Point of No Return need what's the word? Lowlights, but
no, it's just me. Just me with the super
hair's
blonde
too
hair. You're too tall. This is not matte lipstick. Hey guys! Still like kicked back in there.
It
My
felt
hair
good.
feels like I solidly dyed it.
You solidly dyed it? You solidly dyed it.
For a second, this box looked really big.
Yeah, it does, not gonna lie.
So today we're coming back to you with an unboxing.
Got our haircut.
We're gonna try to be as objective as possible. Boxycharm versus Glossybox. We pay for both of these boxes. We share them, so neither one of these are like ours. And you know, give this video a thumbs up if you like unboxings as much as we do. And go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any of our awesome videos. And hit that notification so you know when we upload.
There it is. She said it. You read it. Don't regret it. I bet you won't.
All right, so Glossybox and Boxycharm are both like $20-ish a month.
Let's start with Glossybox so we can bring our excitement level from here to here. Right now we're like here. Glossybox will bring us here. Boxycharm will probably bring us up here. So it'll be
And
like...
if we went to CC's, we'd be like here.
Whoa. Is
Thumbs
that a
up
hint?
if you agree.
Is that a hint?
Pizza.
Is that a
Do you
hint?
think Mom and our grandma would go to CC's?
Or is Grandma going to be awake to be able to go to CC's? I've never called her that ever. She's nanny.
All right. These boxes, you know.
Wait, Steph, we're a little silly. We might be drunk. That is like one of the most common questions we get. Like, it is 10 a.m.
If I'm drunk.
This coffee is not Irish.
No. But
is cold.
also, and I'm totally not trying to like talk about hate or anything because we've always gotten a little bit of hate for whatever we do. But I do want to say, if we make a video and we're silly, we're drunk, and if we make a video and we're serious or we're not super happy, then we hate YouTube and we don't want to do it and we're in bad moods and we need to take a break.
Yep.
So just know.
We cannot please everyone.
Trying to, I don't need scissors. This is an easy open.
Duh. Duh.
We're trying to please everyone, but
No, we're not.
there's the saying
No,
that,
we're not
you
trying
know,
to please everyone.
I'm just saying, like, not that we're trying to, there's just not a happy medium,
There's
I guess,
no
to
way
please
to
everyone.
please everyone. And we know that, and we're okay
We're
with
trying to be our best selves.
it. Yeah,
and
live our best lives.
Yeah, so, you know.
Have we been on YouTube for almost 10 years? Yeah.
Yes.
Are there going to be growing pains?
Yeah.
Are we rolling with it?
Yeah.
Are we having new exciting fun things happen that we hint at in every video, but we don't ever show you them actually?
Yeah.
But maybe one day we will. And you'll be here for that.
No idea what she's talking
We're
about.
here for it. Are you here for it?
I'm always here
I'm
for
here.
it.
Wigged.
Wig.
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 I do want
And
to
if
tell
you
you guys.
ever audition for us, I would never kiss you on the mouth.
I do want to go back to the days when it felt like we were, because honestly, sorry guys, pause in the video.
Pause in the video.
When we started YouTube, we were doing it on Fridays, Saturdays, Sundays, and it was our weekend fun thing that we like hung out together, got silly, did some live streaming, made some videos. And the boys would be in the background playing Call of Duty. Halo. And you could hear them on our videos. But it was like a hangout session. It was fun. So I want to take the business out of it and make it fun. And so with that being said, if we like something, we like it.
True beauty is
If we don't like it, we don't like it.
eating brownies at CC's.
We'll try not to be negative Nancy's, but I am going to tell you if I'm disappointed.
We don't like it. And we don't have to be. I'm grateful for the ability to be able to purchase these items. But I don't have to be grateful for what they send to me. Yes. Because it might suck.
Yes.
And then I'm disappointed in how I spent my money. But that was a choice I made.
Right.
But I'm grateful for the ability to spend it, not what they sent me.
And just know that,
but I might be grateful
like,
for
a lot of the stuff, like, if we don't like it, you know, something that we do try to do is give it to friends and family that might appreciate it,
Right.
or donate it.
Right.
So us not liking it can also turn into a positive thing because it gets to the next person that is going to love it and enjoy it. So it's not like, ew, I don't like this, and be really nasty about it.
See this room. I want to know from you guys, would you be interested in watching us go through this room and clean it up? Because I told Steph I wanted to make a video of that, and she was like,
You mean a series?
no, one video.
No, you mean a series?
One video. Oh no, Pixies. Okay. Anyway,
It might have to be just more than us if we're doing one video.
we would like rope Aaron in.
Whoa, wait 1 second. Whoa, Glossybox.
What? No.
Really?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Just what is that? Just say something.
I'll go with this first. Okay, this is Bliss, which is a good brand. Fabulous foaming face wash. It's 2-in-1 cleanser and exfoliator. Look, I've been struggling with my skin lately.
You have.
Like, I wish I could do a video on my emotions at my skin right now. I'm not gonna cry about it. I've been really upset about my skin.
It doesn't look that bad.
I know. It's more of like, if you guys
Like
can
seriously,
feel me.
like boom.
Like,
boom.
I've gone through most of my
boom.
life with like decently clear skin, and to like all of a sudden just like break out.
Onset acne.
So I take my makeup off in the mirror at night, and I'm taking it off, and I realize like how bumpy because I have like a close-up mirror, which I don't
do it.
Don't do it. No.
Don't look into it.
But I'm just like, I don't know what's causing it because I haven't changed anything.
Right.
If you know us, we're very like stick to what we know.
Hashtag lazy girls play.
Yeah. So I feel like it's more of a hormonal thing, and I don't feel like I can really fix it.
Hormonal is like here.
Well, I mean, you can see all that.
Yeah.
But then I'm also getting it here, here, and here. And so I'm not entirely sure it's not a dry skin thing.
You can look and see like what those zones mean for breakouts.
Yeah.
So it could
I
be
need to
something
look.
else. Could be stress.
I'm highly appreciative of, I never thought, like anything that's clarifying, detoxifying. So skincare is
Cool.
something I'm excited about.
Okay, nail polish. I stopped painting my
love that
nails.
color.
Honestly, I stopped painting my nails about this time last year, and I have pretty much only put nail polish on if we, like when we did Pandora stuff and like event things. Right now they're purpley because I did purple shampoo this morning.
I don't even have my nails painted, but that's out of laziness and the fact that when we're doing stuff around the office, I always chip it. So.
Yeah. This is from Morgan Taylor, and it's in the color New Romance, and it's actually real pretty.
Yeah, it looks like a good jelly, like natural pink.
I can't open it. And, you know, ooh, it's got a big fat brush.
I like those.
The formula looks pretty good.
Nail polish.
But I didn't get like an immediate strong scent, so I was like, maybe it's not.
Maybe not.
It is.
Maybe not.
It's nail
Maybe.
polish. Anyway, that's cool.
This is not a brand I know of. It is Form Multitask Leave-In Lotion. You apply it to your wet hair, style as usual. It's a daily moisturizer for your hair. Only good if it smells good. I'm such a sucker.
You're a sucker?
For good smelling stuff.
No, stick it in my nose. Ew, it kind of smells off.
Like
and
herbal
old.
off?
I mean, it smells herbally, but it also smells old.
So like, yay, hair care. On the herbal scent. Not my favorite.
I mean, it's just whatever. It's just whatever. What are you?
What are you? Rose something?
Figs and Rouge, I guess is the brand. And it is high definition and pore perfecting soft focus veil.
Ooh, those are my favorite, but I'm also afraid that's what's causing
H
problems.
unit C. And I don't use primers.
I think I'm gonna have to stop using.
I think you should.
Well, I haven't
They
used it
will
for the past couple
clog
days.
your face
I think
up.
that's what it is. I think it's the primer I've been using.
What have you been using?
Benefit Professional, but like the new Professional, the pink one.
Does it have the stuff in it? The bismuth oxychloride?
I don't know. It's
I think
the
it might.
luminizing one.
And I can't use that one because it has that in it. It started out really watery.
It's got salicylic acid in it.
It's actually drying now. Touch it, touch it, touch it. It just dried.
It says T-zone area.
I actually might not hate that because, like, your girl gets oily in the T-zone.
See, I feel like I do, but then I look in the close-up mirror and I see flaky dry skin.
What do you see on mine right now?
Nothing.
Shiny.
But mine is shiny too. So I don't freaking know. This is Coverfx
Good brand.
Perfect Pencil. I don't know what kind of pencil is it. Just eyeliner?
Probably a perfect one.
It's
Ew.
nude. Medium.
What?
Oh, brighten up your eyes. Waterline. Brighten up your... Okay, you can define your lip line. Your brow arches, conceals imperfections, and can be applied to the waterline to brighten.
And it's waterproof.
So that's cool. I think my waterline brighter.
Could also put it on your Cupid's bow.
I'm doing the thing where I'd pull my eyelid down and it's like terrible.
Don't do it. That's in G medium, which sounds like gold medium, which is like not the color you really want because you're fair, you know?
No, I think it's just fine in my waterline.
I think it's just fine.
Yeah.
It's whatever. Kind of looks yellow.
Like, the lip product I have on right now is not something I can put on my Cupid's bow because it's actually a matte lipstick. And it is not a matte lipstick. It is transfer.
All right, this is from De Bruyere.
But I shouldn't call it De Beer.
De Beer. From Paris. And it is a pearly eyeshadow pencil in kind of a soft taupey color. It's pretty.
It's pretty.
I just don't find myself reaching for these. Do you guys use, like, creamy eyeshadow pencils? Like, ew. It's, like, real sticky.
Cream?
Yeah, it's
I like
cream.
them as a base.
Like,
That's pretty.
it's pretty, but, like, touch it.
No, I mean, it'll set. You just gotta, like...
You think it will
I
set.
think it will. Boxycharm. My nose is so itchy. I don't know what happened to it. Boxycharm might be one of our favorite subscription services.
Yeah, it's the one where we tell people, like, if you want to go splurge, go for Boxycharm. Pretty much if you're in the, like, $10 range, we kind of say, like, Ipsy, or maybe Sephora, the Sephora Play thing.
Have we gotten a pure palette like that?
I mean, we've gotten pure, like, things
but this is
from
like
them.
Boxycharm and, like, it's not...
Yeah, we've gotten a combo thing.
This is when we were talking to somebody yesterday. I was like, yeah, Boxycharm always has palettes. And, like, when you're paying $20, a palette is nice to get. Okay, it's an eyeshadow palette with a crap ton of eyeshadows. 12 eyeshadows. About, you know, half of them I probably wouldn't wear, but there's some pretty colors in there. Like, the Charmer's, like,
I mean, there's only 2 colors I wouldn't
pretty
wear.
rose gold color. Well, yeah, I guess I would wear these two, but I
I would
usually
wear
need a
everything
black.
but 2 of them.
Yeah. I'm more like, it would probably, my excitement would end on these 3 because it's sparkly black. I mean, like, these are all pretty. They're just real pretty. And Squat's pretty too. It's like a corally color. This looks like another palette. Like it was trying to go after another palette. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, it was coming for her palette.
Yeah, I think it's trying to come for her palette.
But this one has a
But, like,
mirror.
just a section of her palette.
I don't know.
You know what I'm saying? I don't know. Maybe not. I just see the blue in there and it just looks familiar.
Okay, there's a mascara. Butter London Double Decker Lashes Mascara. It's a good brand. Now I just want to go to Universal.
Is it Ozoni?
No.
Got a cool brush though. Looks voluminous.
I would say, just looking at it right now, a lot of product comes out.
So,
on
like,
the
wet?
wand. Not wet. I mean, just like gloopy.
Gloopy.
Gloopy. But I would have to have naked lashes to be able to tell. So, you know, good sample.
I like that it's a big
good
sample.
Size, good brand. I mean, full size mascara
Yeah, girl.
and a good brand. Not mad at it.
This is a brand that I think is still kind of new to Sephora. We talked about it last year. Pretty Vulgar. It's in a color that wouldn't necessarily pick, but like buffed out, it might be kind of pretty.
Not mad at that at all.
It's called
Make
Prim
Them Blush?
Vixen. I think Make Them Blush is the line of their
Yeah.
blushes. Prim Vixen. It's like a purpley toned pink. It's real pretty. It's like a color that I like to hold because it looks real pretty when you hold it up. I like lipstick that color too.
Okay, I've never heard of this. It's South Main 3-Eye Gel Packs. I guess my phone is in here. Under eye gels. Thoroughly cleanse eye area. Apply the product under the eye. Leave on for 30 minutes. You know. Reduces puffiness, dark circles, and moisturizes the eye area. Where the heck is my phone? I don't even know. I think it's over there on the Oh, I stuck it up there. Thanks. I appreciate when you get like multiple. Because
Makes
like
it more worth it.
you can try it multiple times. / don't be cheap. Just don't be cheap.
Well, not at $20.
Right?
Never heard of this brand. This is called the Vintage Cosmetic Company Smoky Eyebrush Set. It's got pretty packaging, but also like interesting packaging.
I mean, it might be cheap on the inside.
Get
See, and Butter London gave you 25% off your next $50 purchase on ButterLondon.com with Charm 25. So that's cool. There's a $20 mascara, $36 palette.
These don't feel that bad. It's cool. They have like, it says step 1 for the money, which step 1, is, I think...
It's like 1 for the money, 2 for the show, 3 for the go, cat go, girl go. I
Yeah,
can't
it's confusing,
talk.
but like, I think this is like a lid one, and then the angled one's kind of a crease. And I just feel like this one's either eyeliner or like under eye. That's what I would use it for.
Yeah,
like a smudger.
Smudger brush.
And this one's good for like getting in the crease, but also I like this one because the angled one is not only like the angled shape to get in your crease, but it's also a little fluffy so you could blend it out.
Yeah, okay.
Good little set.
I'm gonna tell you that this Boxycharm is like 115-ish.
I need to look back to see because I can't remember what the average price is. Of
Yeah,
them.
and I don't.
But it's not
I don't
bad.
know the Glossybox.
I threw it. But the Glossybox is always hard to see what it's worth because it's like not always full size.
Yeah, so it's like around $87.
yeah.
So it was a better Glossybox this month.
Yeah.
But
They're
I definitely
closer.
think that Boxycharm is the clear winner.
I feel like if you have the money to get both, cool. But if you have the money to get one, Boxycharm. That's just how I feel about
It pretty consistently wins it for us, but I would love to know if you guys are like, no, I'd rather get Glossybox. Like, those products are more up my alley.
Yeah.
Or do you agree with us and the Boxycharm is the winner?
Yes. Tell us down below also what types of videos you guys would like to see, like category videos. Like we were talking about wanting to do decluttering. Like maybe we do more fashion videos. Maybe we do some more hauls. I don't know. Whatever you guys want to see, we want to know because you guys are the ones that watch it.
Yep, and also I'd love to say, be sure to check out our Instagram. We've been having fun with it, taking those fashion pictures, and just because it's fashion-y does not mean it's not affordable. Like, we got a theme going, aesthetics, goals.
We use those preview apps to see if it'll look good.
When it takes you 5 apps to get your photo ready for Instagram, it's
you got
serious.
it. You know it.
Serious.
You're a pro.
It takes way too much time. Whatever. You know?
Do it for the gram.
And also, Madison and Mallory, our store, you can check it out. MadisonMallory.com. We have a fun exclusive Facebook group that we'll have linked down below. You can check it out.
Get free shipping.
Come join, chat with us. Yeah. We're usually on it all the time.
All the time. Even at night.
So leave us all those comments down below.
Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell. And we're going to talk to you guys in a video.
We sure will.
Very soon.
Thanks for watching.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.